Once you get behind the force, they will not exactly. So it's really a key method. The driver pay attention to this road full, so Don Jones is a happy guy. So Joe Soko's a happy guy. And then when the tower's happy, and that way we can get the whole program in. And that way the rest of the game, you can see the road to road. So, engage, it's okay. Keep top alcohol hydro. And exit this to the lane, please. All right, guys down here now. Okay, we got Pier Complex coming up. 50-50, Kelly Reed in your number 2 qualifier in the left-hand lane, which is the refereeing sponsored lane. In the right-hand Rex Marine lane, Michael Jewell in EVGB, number 3 qualifier. Here we go, Complex. This ought to be good. Pay attention, both fans. Time 135.13 on the miles per hour. Mike Jewell, red light. A little quick on the light. 0.08 on the red side. Runs a 7.72. 132.93 on the miles per hour. He even got there about 95 feet in front of Kelly Reed, but the red light took out. At the end of the day, you go red, you go home. You can see by that red light for Michael Jewell, 0.083 to the red. That's how close that was. That was a hell of a drag race. For 770 with an 8 to a 772 with a 1, they both go green. It's a pick 'em in the light together. Yeah, this mic, the cordless mic's got a delay, so I can start talking.
They'll get it. That was a pretty good alcohol, right?
Yeah, definitely green picking one there. They would both lights green picking.
Latch everything down for all those connectors. He's going to fire it right. It's going to be a last minute deal. I think they're getting ready to all go. This guy's getting ready to go.
Well,
I can't see again. Is it hit? Not coming. He hadn't even strapped himself in yet.
Well, here we go right now. Well, Black, your number 1, 2 qualifier, 3 qualifier. Stephen Ruck, start.
Now they're going to see if the starter works.
In your left hand,
there it goes.
Sharp, liquid luck, your number 2 qualifier.
They're going to put plugs in it. They're going to fire it.
Get close. There's someone after you. 2 flat bottoms. Low gas flat.
Checking oil pressure.
Feel the reserve.
Got no oil pressure.
Sharp plus 5.
They hadn't been when you started. No, they check the pressure, oil pressure before they fire it. So they fire it, no pressure. They just burned up 100 grand. They almost all have external. What's that? I think he told me.
Left hand lead's going to hit the wind. Steve Sharp, liquid lost. A 0.58 reaction time. A 7.99 with a 7. 130.43 on a mile per hour. Steven Stewart obviously running the other lane on the blown gas pile.
I know he ran a 405.
Steve really knew that he had Steven Stewart covered, so he was a little relaxed on his bike.
No, he'll run it through.
5 light. Stewart on the other hand had to push it. He's not running the big numbers that Steve Sharp is running.
But he said he's just testing today.
Conversely, one kind of took his time, the other one had to kind of get after it. Stewart goes red by 0.024 to the red and gets trailered. He will be back later on, I'm sure, to run in another class.
Looking for the straps. Checking his air.
He's strapped in too.
I didn't see him strap in though.
Well,
I guess he must be.
They're going to take him right now. They're not a good shot, no.
They'll tow him with something else.
Okay, this is the last call. Last call. Meet Street, you need to be down here now. Last call. Your competition is in the water.
I'm going to watch them run. I hope they don't start it like that.
They're going to fire it. They'll fire it before they put it in the water.
Ain't much room in them gaps if it gets.
Pretty tight. I'm surprised all the switches.
Jeff Martin, the ugly customer.
Even the top fuel car don't have that many.
67 yesterday. He's on his 5 run right now. in the left-hand Precision Craft Marine sponsored lane. And this guy can drive. Hang on to your shorts. Woo. Way to go, Jeff. Hopefully everything's okay. Holding his knee right there. Hopefully he's okay. That boat took a giant hop coming out of the hole. Basically, he carried the nose very, very aggressively. There's a fine line with a flat bottom because they've got a down pedal on the left-hand side of the boat. He tried to carry the nose. It got a little too out on him. He tried to catch it. He landed it softly, spurred it up, and just drove it through. Great job by Jeff Martin. Seriously. Serious. Serious. Well, that just goes to show how professional these guys are. These guys know their equipment. They know their machine. These things happen. You're going to get in and out of a situation like this, but you know what?
Pulled it out of the water and putted it. They jumped out of the water and he just putted it down the street.
Stuff on the couch. I saw it from the top, just as it came through the tulies. All I saw was the bottom of the advertising space. Right.
That's what I wanted to feel.
Awesome.
You feel it?
Oh yeah.